Morning guys. By the way, I got the devotional right now. Nagtable muna ako before I do my stuff. So before ko magtrabaho. By the way, I have a business right now selling books online. There's self-help books, self-improvement books, also mga business books. The Personal MBA by Josh Cuman nana sa Facebook karon nag-post na ako, and also Deep Work. New to siya ng mga book. Deep Work by Cal Newport is really important to really focus on the things that what we need to do or what we need to accomplish every single day. So meaning to say, kailangan yun na to focus na to on things that what we do, what is really important, and avoid distraction when you are working. That's the situation right now. So basically, I'm filming this for my personal growth, also documenting those stuff. I believe that it's not about my ability, but the wisdom of God that it has given to me. So I need to do it not just for money, but for myself to grow on my faith, my spiritual life. May urge na ko myself to do the impossible things. Imposible siya, pero it's possible because I have God that gives me strength every single day. Yan lang. I do have tech fix have page. You can visit also sa page na ako. I do also nag-ayo of laptop or installation for the PC. And I think that is the things that I do. And also learning things, reading more books. Yeah. Rooting from afar, and God bless everyone.